Welcome everyone. This is the next part in the Gromacs tutorial series. Before going into next step, I want to show you one of the changes in the July 2021 of the CHARM-M36 force field. That is specifically in the ions.itp file. In the ions.itp file, some of the ions name is renamed. Okay, the ions.itp file is located in the force field folder, CHARM-M36 July 2021. You can open this folder and you will find the ions.itp file. When you open this file, you can see this. The name of the ions are given here. For lithium ion, the code is LIT, and sodium ions, the symbol is SOD, and for magnesium ion, Mg. Like that, the ions name is given here. Okay. For the chloride ion, you can see the name is CLA. But what we did is, in the previous video, we used the July 2021 force field and we gave the name as Na and Cl for the ions adding. So in the coordinate file, the Na and Cl names will be present. But this ions.itp file we have SOD and CLA as the respective names. So the deal is, we use the July 2021 force field for adding the ions. And we gave the name as the Na and Cl in the previous video. But in the actual ions.itp file, the sodium ions is named as SOD and the chloride ion is named as CLA. So let us open the coordinate file also. This is solvated and ions are added. Okay, and this is the topology file. Here it is. So you can scroll down the coordinate file and you find the Cl ion is present. Okay. And you can find the ions Cl is present. But in the ions.itp file, the chloride ion name is CLA. So there is a mismatch between the coordinate file and the ions.itp file. Okay. You can see in the ions.itp file, the chloride ion is named as CLA. But in our coordinate file, for the chloride ion, the Cl name is given. Okay. In the topology file, we have included the ions.itp file. Okay. See, we have included this ions.itp file. CHARM-M36 July 2021 force field / ions.itp file. So there will be a mismatch in the names of the ions. So let us check what will happen if we do not change the ion names in the coordinate file. Okay. So before proceeding the next step, we have to download the MDP file. Okay. So let us open the energy minimization step and we have to download the energy minimization MD parameters file. That is the energy minimization MDP file. So download this and save in the MD folder itself. You can check out all the MDP files in my other video. I will give the link in the description. So the MDP file we have downloaded now. So open the terminal and give this command. Okay. gmx grompp -f, that is the em.mdp file, and -c, that is the coordinate file, complex solvated and ions.grow file, that is the output of the previous command, and -p to update the topology file, and -o em.tpr, this is the binary file. So right now we are not changed the ions name in the coordinate file. In the coordinate file, the ions name is still Cl only. Okay. Okay, there is one error in the input file, which means no such molecule type Cl. So what this is saying is, we have to change the coordinate file. So in the coordinate file, just change the CL to the CLA. And you have to correct the spaces also. Otherwise, it will not accept. And save the file. So we have changed the CL to the CLA. And we also should change in the topology file also. In the topology file, you can see there is protein and ligand and solvent particles, and there is the ions. So change this Cl to the CLA and save this file also. And now run the same command. Now you can see the command is successfully completed. Okay. The output file em.dpfi is also generated here. As usual, give the next command. Gmx mdrun -v -defnum em. That is the -v for verbose and -defnum. That is the default name. It will generate all the output files with the default name of em, and it will add the extension accordingly. So give enter. You can see the energy minimization is taking place. And it has done 160 steps. And the steepest descent converged in 161 steps. Okay. So I want to remind you one more thing here. You can see there is a MP thread and open MP threads. Open MP thread means that is the number of threads present in the CPU. MP thread means the number of nodes that we are using. Okay. So that's all for the energy minimization step. And if you want to add the ions using the July 2021 force field, give the ions name as SOD and CLA for the positive name and the negative name. You can check the ions.idp file for the naming of the ions. Okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe to the channel and share this video also.